right around the time of the launch of StarCraft, maybe a little later, EverQuest came out. And we just saw a lot of potential in the genre. And we really felt like we thought that EverQuest was a really deep game, but they had an assumption that this type of game would only appeal to hardcore RPG players, and they crafted the game with that assumption in mind, I think. And we felt that if we applied the same kind of design philosophies that we had applied to our previous games, easy to learn, difficult to master, but really try to make a shallow learning curve so anybody should be able to sit down and figure out how to play, that we might be able to open up the genre to a much larger audience.